What's up guys, my name is Jacob Prime. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you could get started affiliate marketing as a beginner. Before we go any further, let me explain to you what affiliate marketing essentially is. Essentially, affiliate marketing is when you promote other companies' products for a commission. So you won't have to do any of the inventory, the shipping, the packaging, the labeling, the fulfillments, the customer service, nothing. All you have to do as an affiliate marketer is worry about the promotion and driving traffic back to that affiliate partner or company. And when somebody clicks and buys through your link, you will get a commission. One of the best things about affiliate marketing and why I believe it's so beginner friendly and why countless of men and women are seeing success with this business model is because you're not actually doing any of the sales. You leave the sales and the selling up to the companies. Because quite frankly, selling is hard. This is one common misconception, and this is why a lot of people are afraid to start because they believe that they have to do the selling, but this is completely false. And this is why I love affiliate marketing so much, because I'm not doing any of the selling. It's your job to promote and drive traffic back to the affiliate partner or program and leave the selling up to the company. And this is why it makes it the easiest business model for beginners to actually start seeing success with making money online. The first thing to make this work is you need a good front-end high-ticket offer. And you can do that with working with a company that has amazing sales processes in place. So remember, you're not doing any of the selling. So you want to find a good high-ticket offer with amazing sales processes in place. Now, to save you some time and effort, I'm going to share with you the program that I promote that has allowed me to achieve 5 figures as a complete beginner. They have an amazing sales team with huge high-ticket commission offers. Here's what I mean by that. Let's say you were promoting a DIY course showing people how to build a woodshed from scratch. What are they gonna need in order to build that woodshed? Yes, they're gonna need tools. So on your backend offer, you're gonna promote the tools to help them build that shed the most proficient way possible. So that backend offer is gonna complement the front end offer perfectly because they're gonna need that tools in the long run. Because you're simply promoting tools that they're gonna need anyway to follow through with the front end offer. And number 3, the most important, you wanna provide your audience with good quality content. I truly believe this is one of the most important steps to your affiliate marketing business to utilize this as free traffic. There's hundreds of ways to drive traffic, but in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. And I'm gonna show you right now. What you're looking at is called a sales funnel. And you're probably wondering, what's a sales funnel? Well, a sales funnel is simply a series of web pages designed to guide your customer down a certain path to eventually lead to a purchase. And don't worry, you don't need to be tech savvy, you don't need any experience. And at the end of this video, I will provide you with a copy and paste of my funnel so you could use it as your own. The best thing about a sales funnel is that it automates 90% of your online business. You have your sales funnel set up in place. Step 1 is to drive traffic using social media platforms to lead your customer through that sales funnel. You want to create content that provides value and has a clear call to action at the end of every single video. And the best thing about a sales funnel is once you build it one time, it doesn't matter how much traffic you drive to it. Once it's set up, built in place, it's constantly working for you 24/7. They're all gonna be guided down the exact same journey, hopefully at the end of it leading to a purchase, without doing any additional work on your part. Your sole purpose is to drive traffic using these social media platforms through your funnel, letting your affiliate partner do all the selling for you. Now, once they click on your link, they will be landing on the first page of your funnel, which is called the opt-in page. The opt-in page collects your email and puts it into an email autoresponder sequence where you will be able to send out emails 24/7 on autopilot. I will talk about the email autoresponder in just a bit. But first, let's move on to the second page. The second page is called the bridge page. This is the gap between the content and the sales page. This is where you introduce yourself and the product that you're offering. It's your job to bridge the gap from what they've seen and what they're going to see. And if you do this the correct way, your customer that's going through your funnel will be highly engaged with the affiliate product that you are offering, that they will end up purchasing it at the end of the sales page, which means more money in your pocket. If you stick to the end of the video, I'll provide you my bridge page script that has allowed me to scale my affiliate marketing business to 5 figures in just a few months. The bridge page is also super critical because this is where you put your affiliate link that your affiliate partner provides you so you will get a commission. This is how they track the sales and attribute them to you. Now, once they click that button to take them from the bridge page to the sales page, that's it. That's all you have to do. Now it's all up to the affiliate partner, your affiliate partner or company that you partner with to do the selling for you. And this is why choosing a great affiliate partner with amazing sales processes in place is so critical for your affiliate marketing business. You can have the best product in the world, but if they have horrible sales processes in place, you won't get a dime. Now, the affiliate partner that has amazing sales processes in place, I will share with you at the end of the video. Now, the last step in your funnel is your affiliate offers sales page. This is where your potential customer makes the decision to either purchase the product or not. And when they do, you get paid. Now let's get back to the email autoresponder I was mentioning before. Autoresponder is essentially a sequence of emails that get delivered to those who have entered their email in your sales funnel. Remember, this email sequence is automated, so once you build it one time, it's up and running 24/7 without you having to do any additional works. This is so important because you'll be following up with those leads that haven't actually taken the first step to purchasing the product. This is literally the difference from making 10 to 20 sales to 200 to 1,000 of sales. Email autoresponder sequence is so important because those who didn't purchase the first time will be followed up through your email autoresponder sequence, following up with them, reminding them about this product or offer. This is the best way to 90% automate your entire business. Congratulations, that's basically all you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business. Now, let me explain to you the high ticket affiliate program that I choose to promote. High ticket affiliate program is created by a company called Legendary Marketers. The program that they're offering is digital. That's why your commissions will be high ticket. Legendary Marketers is a marketing company that teaches people the core principles of marketing and building their online businesses. Legendary Marketers has products ranging from $7 to $2,500 to $5,000, and they'll pay you 40% commissions for whatever product your customer purchases within Legendary Marketers. And did I tell you that you're cookied to them for life? So if they decide to purchase 2 years from now, you will still get the commission. Legendary Marketers has an amazing high ticket closing team that will close the high ticket deals for you. This is where the commissions in your affiliate marketing business really start to add up. Now, I can't stress this enough, how important it is for you to choose a high ticket affiliate partner that will convert your traffic for you. Now, the 15-day challenge, which is $7, is the tripwire offer. So later down the road, when they're introduced to the $2,500 blueprint, and if they do choose to purchase that, you will gain $1,000 commission. Now, if you'd like to start earning high ticket commissions and would like to start promoting Legendary Marketers as well, I linked their 15-day challenge in the description, so you could go take that and partner with them as well. Also, if you'd like to copy and paste my entire high ticket affiliate marketing business and use it as your very own so you can get up and running, earning commissions, I also linked that down below in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and if this video provided you with a lot of information, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it.